On behalf of AWS and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast session for our federal podcast series, where Rahul Gangu, founder, and Venkat Chivukula, senior practice cloud consultant at RV Global Solutions, will discuss archiving, purging, and strategic backup of data. Rahul, the floor is all yours.
Thanks. Good morning, Sydney and Venkat. Firstly, thanks to AWS and Carahsoft for giving us the chance to capture this conversation. This morning, we'll talk about three topics: data archiving, data purging, and strategic backup. The focus of our conversation will be on how we could leverage the AWS Cloud Platform to help our customers with data archiving, purging, and strategic backup. So, Venkat, should we dive straight into the topics?
Sure, Rahul. Good morning, Sydney and Rahul. Yes.
Super. First, talk about data archiving, Venkat, and how we could leverage AWS Cloud. More specifically, what are the return on investments, the ROI items our customers can expect if they would like to use AWS Cloud for archiving purposes, Venkat?
AWS customers can obtain very great ROI for reducing redo effort. And the second ROI that I can think of is our customers can adhere to service regulatory requirements in a better way. And the third ROI that I can think of is they get unlimited scaling of their archiving processes with the unique pay-as-you-go model. That has been a success story for AWS all through for last time there. I'm in the business.